What is up, everybody? It has been a while since I did an old school nail art tutorial, so that is what we're doing today. I'm going to show you how I did this adorable Bumblebee inspired nail art. We're going to start off as always with my Peel Off base coat. And then I'm going to use the shade Lola Belle from LBK, which is a gorgeous, vibrant yellow. Usually takes about 2, maybe 3 coats. And now I'm going to make the stripes for our Bumblebee by sticking some striping tape down on a nail art mat. And then I'm going to paint in between the stripes with black polish. I'm using the shade Miki from LBK as well. I'm going to peel up the tape before it gets a chance to dry in between each line. Once I've given those stripes plenty of time to dry, I'm going to put a top coat over them. Then I'm going to put some top coat on 3 of my nails and place the stripes down. I did about 3 or 4 stripes per nail horizontally. I'm going to clip off the excess with some tiny scissors. And then use a little bit of acetone on a cleanup brush just to stick the sides down and make sure everything is flat. And then I'm going to finish those nails off with a nice layer of top coat. Now for my accent nail, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a detail brush, again in that black nail polish, on my nail art mat. And I'm going to draw a teeny tiny little bumblebee. I did 2 just in case one got messed up or streaked by top coat or anything, but I only ended up using 1. Once that's dried, I'm going to peel it up and put a little dot of top coat on my nail, and using a wooden stick, I'm going to just pick it up and place it down, again making sure it's flat with a I am again going to take a detail brush in that black nail polish, and I'm going to paint a little dotted trail as if the bee has been flying across my nail. And I didn't film it, but I did do this on my pointer finger as well, as if the trail continued onto both nails. When that's done and completely dry, I'm just going to add a final top coat, and we are all done. And that is the tutorial for my Bumblebee nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. Please subscribe. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you get told whenever I make a new video. And thank you so much to LBK for sending me these shades. This video is not sponsored, but LBK has been generous enough to send me all of the shades of their nail polish, and I can't wait to show you guys more tutorials with these amazing polishes. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!